Well, another lovely day here at Trend Signal with some great snipers again, and some really good trades to go through today. Not so many trades. We had that sort of bumper day yesterday of about 20 trades. The previous day, 24 trades, which is probably best part of a record actually. Today, a rather lean 14 snipers across the 16 markets that we monitor and trade here at Trend Signal. But a been a good day nonetheless, and some very, very powerful moves taking place on those FX commodities and index markets there. So let's have a look at a couple of those trades from today. We had a nice pair of trades really on US dollar against the Canadian dollar today. So let's have a look at those opportunities there. First of all, just on the far left hand side of the chart, opportunity to buy. We see that sniper circle kicking in here. We see the vector average turning from red to green, and also that line there turning from red to green as well, the trend signal line. So at about 7:30 this morning, we had that opportunity to buy the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, and that's on this candlestick here. So this candlestick right there. So against the trend, which are looking to buy against the uptrend of the market there. We won't necessarily go into the reasons why it's a downtrend and all that sort of stuff, but safe to say, when we're against the trend, we like to pick up a nice quick 20 points on this trade. That market aggressively moving higher from what, 103.50 to sort of 103.70, very, very well indeed, and that's plus 20 points on that long trade. Very, very quickly, within sort of half an hour, 40 minutes or so, that target was very, very nicely hit. So 20 points to the good, £10 a point, of course, that's 200 quid there. Moving on through the day, we had a very continued run higher. Not necessarily what we're expecting, of course, being quite an aggressive downtrend for the last couple of days there, really on the 4-hour chart. So really treating this buy as nothing more than a little bit of a pullback. And yet, then, here later on, subsequently at 3:45 UK time and dollar CAD, we had that opportunity to short. Why? Really for the opposite reasons of it being a long there at 7:15. So from green to red here, the vector average from green to red, and that sniper circle there as well, really changing direction, giving us the confidence to then take that change in direction and that opportunity to sell. Again, 20 points at an absolute minimum there taken on that trade. In both of those examples, really the markets moved significantly past those 20-point targets. But if you're just looking for a very simple rules-based approach to follow trades, simple targets, simple stops and simple entries, then really what you've got there, excuse my amount of drawing that I've gone here, then what you've got is plus 40 points for the day there on two simple trades. In total, across the 14 trades from today, we're on about 184 points there. Significant profits and a really good week. Tough start, down on Monday, but really pulled that back really nicely to a significantly profitable week so far. One day left to go. Let's hope for a little bit more positive trades there as we finish off the week. But hopefully, you know, if you like the look of this, if you want to come on board with Trend Signal, then please give us a call, because hopefully you can get onto trades just like this. It doesn't have to take a lot of time, doesn't have to take a lot of experience just to identify that simple transition from red to green, green to red, to identify those trading opportunities.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.